Today, I'm going to show you a way out. A smarter, more powerful way to take control of your financial future, to create a reliable second income stream, build genuine wealth, and enjoy the freedom you've always wanted. And it all starts with a story, one that reveals one of the most powerful forces in the universe and how you can start using it to your advantage. So let me tell you a story you may have heard before, but you probably never truly felt the power of it. Once upon a time, there was a wise king who wanted to reward one of his subjects for great service. The subject, instead of asking for gold or jewels, presented the king with a seemingly humble request. He asked the king to place a single grain of rice on the first square of a chessboard, 2 grains on the next square, 4 grains on the next, doubling the amount of rice on each subsequent square. The king, seeing this as a modest request, agreed without hesitation. Now, as the king's servants began placing the grains of rice on the chessboard, they encountered a problem, and they quickly realized the astonishing power of exponential growth. You see, the amount of rice doubled with each square on the chessboard, leading to an unimaginably large quantity of rice. After a few squares, the number was in the thousands. By the middle of the chessboard, it had reached the millions. The amount of rice required to fulfill the request was far more than could be produced by the entire world. The final square would require more than 9 quintillion grains of rice. The total amount of rice required to fill the chessboard was over 18 quintillion grains of rice. That's an 18 with 18 zeros. Now, you may be wondering, how much is 18 quintillion grains of rice? I mean, it sounds like a lot, doesn't it? But let's put it in some perspective. Let's assume the average grain of rice is 5 millimeters long. 18 quintillion grains of rice would stretch approximately 92 trillion kilometers. Now, the sun is approximately 150 million kilometers away from the Earth. In other words, the amount of rice required to fill the chessboard would stretch more than 616 times further than the distance from the Earth to the sun. I bet that's more rice than what you intuitively expected. This is the magic of exponential growth. At first, the progress is almost invisible. It's easy to overlook, easy to underestimate. But then, suddenly, it becomes unstoppable. Now, here's the tragedy. Most people never make it to the second half of the chessboard because the systems they're taught, working for wages, saving modestly, investing conservatively, are designed to keep them stuck on the early squares. Linear actions, linear thinking, linear results. Working harder, saving more, waiting longer, settling for less. But linear actions can never create exponential results. If you want extraordinary outcomes, you need to play an exponential game. And today, I'm going to show you how to do that. Because once you understand this shift, once you start playing what I call the new game, everything changes. So let's talk about the game most people are taught to play. Get a good education, land a stable job, save diligently, maybe invest in some ETFs and hold for the long term, trust the process, wait 30 or 40 years. Sounds familiar, right? It is sensible, cautious advice, isn't it? But what are they not telling you? Inflation silently erodes your money year after year, robbing you of purchasing power. We've all felt that recently, haven't we? Meanwhile, low interest rates rob savers of an important source of income, forcing them to take far more risk to generate any kind of return. Fees eat away at your returns year after year. Market crashes can wipe out years, sometimes decades of progress very quickly. And worst of all, you have almost no control over any of it. Now, I've personally witnessed these pitfalls. During my time at prestigious financial institutions like Goldman Sachs and Citibank, I saw how wealth creation really works behind closed doors. I learned the wealthy play a completely different game. They don't leave things to chance. They actively manage risk, they carefully control probabilities, and they position themselves for asymmetric returns, limited downside with significant upside. Now today, I want you to learn how to play that same smart, calculated game, what I call the new game. Because the old game is not designed to make you wealthy, it's designed to keep you compliant. You were taught to hand over your money, to trust, to wait. Meanwhile, those managing your money, well, they're playing a very different game. One that stacks the probabilities in their favor. One that manages risk actively. One that leverages asymmetry. Small risk, large reward. You were never meant to be the winner in the game that you were taught, and it's not your fault. But once you see the trap, you can escape it. And that's what I'm here to show you today. But before we get to that, let me tell you another story. This time, a very personal story. It's one that I've never shared publicly before. It was 2007. I was head of the markets desk at Goldman Sachs. Great career, lovely house in North Bondi, beautiful sports car. I thought I was pretty good. Then came 2008. The global financial crisis hit like a wrecking ball. I was running the desk, working 16-hour days on a trading floor that felt like a war zone. The phone never stopped ringing, everyone was panicking, and I was still drinking the Wall Street Kool-Aid. I believed the strategists and analysts who swore the bottom is in, and I kept buying the market all the way down. The S&P 500 dropped 50%, and I lost well over half my net worth. If I'd known then what I know now, and what I'm going to share with you, I could have retired comfortably at age 36. But instead, it took losing a 7-figure fortune to wake me up. A few months later, I was having a beer on a warm Sydney evening with a colleague, a proprietary trader at Goldman Sachs. And look, I shared with him about my disastrous year, and I was expecting from him a sympathetically dismal response. Instead, do you know what he said to me? He said, "Simon, 2008 was my most profitable year ever." And that hit me like a thunderclap. While I was busy losing everything, someone else was thriving. Same market, different strategy, very different outcome. It was in that moment that I realized something painful. I wasn't as good as I thought I was. I'd been playing the wrong game, and I didn't even realize it. That realization hurt. It stung my ego, it cracked my pride and my certainty. But it also sparked something deeper, a hunger to understand. I couldn't ignore the truth anymore. I had to figure out what I was missing. I needed to know how I could play the same game that the winners, like my colleague, were playing. So I began to study, to observe, to test. Every night after work, I sat at my Bloomberg Anywhere terminal, developing a system that could work in any market condition, rising, falling, or sideways. Eventually, I developed a strategy, and then a methodology, and ultimately a smarter, faster system for wealth creation. I'm not saying I have all of the answers, but I do have something that works, something I've taught to thousands of people across the world, and it's changed lives. Enter options. If you're unfamiliar, options are financial contracts that let you profit from price movements up, down, or sideways with limited risk and magnified upside potential. Now, when I first mention options trading, many people instantly think it's too risky, or it's only for professionals, or I'm not good at numbers. Now, let's dismantle these myths right now. First of all, options, when traded properly, are one of the safest ways to manage risk because you define exactly how much you can lose before entering any trade. Second, you don't need a finance degree or special math skills. Trading successfully is about following a structured, repeatable system, something anyone can learn and implement. Third, professional traders don't gamble. They stack probabilities, limiting downside while capturing significant upside potential. It's systematic, strategic, and repeatable. Options are not risky when used properly. In fact, options, when used the right way, are the most powerful risk management tool available to everyday investors. Let's break it down. Options allow you to define your risk before you enter a trade. Create trades where you risk a little to potentially make a lot. Profit whether the market goes up, down, or sideways. Consider Richard, a financial advisor based in the US who is also stuck in the old game. After learning and following my methods, his portfolio performed at an annual return of 320% in 2024. Or take Zach, a millennial based in the UK who recently began his personal trading journey. He made 167% on his portfolio in 2023 by following my methods very closely. These are real people with real results achieved by gaining the right knowledge, the right system, and the right mentorship. You might have doubts. I'm too busy for trading. I've tried investing or trading before and it didn't work out. It seems too overwhelming or too complex. Now, let's address those concerns directly. You don't need hours each day to trade effectively. Most successful members of our program spend just 20 to 30 minutes daily. Past investment failures typically result from a lack of structure, mentorship, or a proven strategy. These are all things that you'll get from me. And complexity, my method simplifies everything. Clear, easy to follow setups and straightforward guidance eliminate overwhelm. Now, imagine logging into your trading account 3 months from now, not with fear, but with a quiet sense of control and confidence. Instead of hoping the market goes up all the time, you create a plan where you profit if it rises, falls, or even trades sideways. Instead of taking large risky positions, you take small controlled risks with outsized potential rewards, and you stack them repeatedly. So instead of writing out gut-wrenching drawdowns, you sidestep danger and you protect your capital. Options give you control, they give you leverage, and most of all, they give you freedom. And when you combine options with the power of exponential thinking, that's when the magic happens. And by next quarter, you could already have a second income stream quietly humming in the background. So let's revisit the idea of compounding. Most investors are thrilled if they can earn an annual return of 10% per annum. But what if you could earn just 3% per month? 3% monthly is roughly 42% annualized. 5% monthly is nearly 80% annualized. Now, this is not about swinging for the fences, it's about stacking small, smart, repeatable wins with defined risk. Winning small, but consistently, is how you win big in the long term. It's about understanding and implementing short-term secrets to long-term wealth building. With the right setups, the right discipline, and the right risk management, you can create a steady, reliable growth or create a second income stream, month after month, year after year, decade after decade. This is what I call the new game. Trade with clarity, stack small wins consistently, grow your wealth exponentially. This is how you move into the second half of the chessboard. That's how you build real freedom. And you don't need to guess the next Tesla or Nvidia. You don't need to predict the next crash. All you need is a system, a roadmap, a way to consistently tilt the odds in your favor. And that's exactly what I'll show you how to do. Now, you may have heard Albert Einstein called compounding the eighth wonder of the world, but those who've mastered the markets through my mentorship know there's a ninth wonder of the world, and that's trend following. Yep, I call trend following the ninth wonder of the world, because when you align yourself with the dominant trend, when you ride the wave instead of fighting it, you harness momentum on your side. Now, inside my live workshop, I'll show you how we time our trades around these high probability moments. How to identify when a tradable trend is in place, the most optimal time to join that trend, how to enter with confidence and manage your risk. You don't have to predict the future, you just have to recognize when the market is tipping its hand and then step in with a plan. Edge isn't about being right, it's about playing smarter consistently. And when you play smarter, let me tell you, everything changes. Picture this, you wake up, calm, like the weight of worry has been lifted. You scan the market, clarity. You hear the market noise fade into the background. You find a clean setup, confidence. You place a trade and you feel in control. You see a clear plan for your day, freedom. No more staring at screens for hours, no more second guessing, no more hoping. You know what you're doing, you trust your system, and you trust yourself. And day by day, month by month, you climb the wealth ladder. You start living a life where you wake up feeling confident, free from financial stress, knowing you have a proven method to generate reliable income. You can spend more time with loved ones, you can pursue passions, travel, or simply live a more relaxed life without anxiety. Because you're no longer playing the old game, you're playing the new game, your game. And it feels good, it feels free, and it's closer than you think. If you're the kind of person who wants to take back control of your financial life, if you're ready to stop playing the old game and start winning the new game, then join me for my free live workshop. Inside, I'm going to walk you through a smarter way to identify high probability trades. Real setups our members are using right now. How to start building a second income stream with confidence and control. No hype, no gimmicks, just real tools, real workshop, real transformation. So join me and notice how much simpler it all becomes. Freedom isn't some distant dream, it's just a decision away. So click the button below to register and I'll see you there. Now this is only for people who see themselves as proactive, not passive, who want to lead, not follow. As a special bonus, during this workshop, you'll learn one of my favorite go-to setups, the exact criteria we use to enter high probability trades, and how our members are stacking consistent results in just 20 to 30 minutes a day. So don't miss out on this exclusive opportunity. Click below, reserve your place now, and let's begin your journey towards a smarter, richer, and more fulfilling financial life. Every small, smart win adds a new rung to your wealth ladder. So join me and let's climb that wealth ladder together.